I want to share something about my work. I did not become a librarian for loud excitement. I became a librarian because of a feeling of peace. I was maybe 9 years old. I felt confused about a school project. I did not know where to start. My house had no answer for me. I felt lost. I walked into the big, quiet building, the library. A woman was there. She was organizing books. She saw my worried face. She stopped her work. She came to me slowly. She did not rush me at all. She pointed to the tall shelves. She showed me a section of books. "This is where you can find the answers," her quiet smile said. She helped me choose one book. She opened the cover. The paper smelled old and good. She showed me how to read the contents page. She taught me to look for key words. I sat at a wooden table and I read. The book gave me the answers I needed. That moment changed me. I thought, I want to keep this peace for others. I want to be the person who helps someone open the right door. Today, that is my job. I walk into the library. I am a quiet guide. I am a keeper of stories. I do not create the knowledge, but I make it easy to find. If you have ever found comfort in a book, you understand what my work truly means. The clock shows 7:30 a.m. My alarm is soft. I get out of bed carefully. I like the morning quiet. I take my 3 slow breaths. In, out. This is a new day for quiet work. I prepare my breakfast, hot tea and simple toast. I need a calm start. I put on my work clothes, a comfortable jacket. My shoes are soft for long walking on the floor. I wear my name tag, Clara, Librarian. I pack my bag, my keys, a small notebook for ideas, a favorite pen. I look in the mirror. I speak to myself. Be patient, be present, be the keeper of the quiet. My visitors need a peaceful space. That is what I will give them today. I walk into the library before anyone else. The air is cool and still. I turn on the soft lights. First, I check the book return box. Books have come home in the night. I pick up each book. I look at the title. I check the book into the system. Beep, beep, beep. I am sending the books back out into the world. I look at the shelves. Some books are in the wrong place. They need to go home. I push the book cart. I carefully put each book back in its right spot. A misplaced book is a lost book. My job is to make sure every story can be found. This is like a slow, quiet puzzle. My colleague, David, arrives. We smile. We talk about the day's tasks. He will help the people on the computers. I will help the people with the books. The big doors open. The first visitors walk in. I stand at the main desk. I am ready to help. I am here for their questions. A young student comes to me. They look shy. They want a book about history. I do not give them the first book I see. I ask them a question. What time in history do you like? I listen closely to their answer. I walk with them into the long aisles. We look together. I point to the special number on the book's spine. The numbers help us find the topic. I help them choose the right book. Later, I see an older woman. She is looking for a new story to read. She likes mysteries. She needs something new. I talk to her about the books I have read. I suggest 2 titles. We talk about the feeling of the story. My work is not just to give a book. My work is to connect the reader with the perfect story. I help her feel excited about reading again. I also help people with the computers. I show them how to search for information. I make the digital world simple. Understanding brings a quiet sense of control.
My shift ends at 5 p.m. I finish organizing the last cart of books. I turn off the computer. I walk out of the library. The sun is low. I think about my day. I brought home many books. I guided a student to knowledge. I helped someone find a new mystery story. I made the large world of information feel small and friendly. No great noise, no fast speed, just a quiet day of work. But this quiet work keeps the world reading. It keeps the world learning.
Being a librarian is not about silence only. It is about deep attention. It is about gentle guidance. It is about love for knowledge. If you ever meet a librarian, please give a thank you. And if you are learning English, remember, words like shelf, search, and quiet are important keys. They open many doors.